Hi everyone, so I'm here with Evan. We are here to make a video for you. Right here, say hi. Okay, so I actually I was making a video and then Evan woke up from his morning nap. He woke up 5 a.m. this morning. Now he took a nap around 7:30 and then he woke up again. So now I'm here with him, cuddling and playing his room. So I wanted to show you guys a few things I bought. I actually did a lot of shopping lately, so here are only just few things. So I'm gonna go through them pretty quick with you. The first product is the SK2 RNA Power. This is a serum. I bought them in a package of two, so they are very cheap price when you buy it from like an international airport. I got this from my friend. She went to the Taiwan International Airport, so two of them are $285, so it's pretty affordable and I really like them, so I will buy the eye cream and the face cream from this collection just because I really like them. I see the results. Mainly it's for anti-aging, make my skin very soft, smooth. I just love it. I mean, in SK2 in general, I like the products. I just like Japanese products, I think, and they just make my skin feel so good. So I'm so glad I found what works for me. Okay, the other product is the La Mer eye cream concentrate. If you have not seen my last video about eye creams, I talk about this product. Really liking it, even though it's another expensive product. For me, my justification is really for me saying, I do not go to spa or Medicare, pedicure. I just do all those things myself at home. So those products are just really last me a long time, and it's not that expensive to me. So $205 this one cost. I got this actually also for a good price because my mom works at Macy's. Macy's and Bloomingdale's actually are sister companies, so she gets the 20% off, and I also got a $25 gift card back, so it's pretty good deal. You guys know that I usually try to shop smartly, and then that's something I try to take advantage when my mom's here. Okay, the other product I got is the Lancome sunscreen. This is a product I haven't tried yet, so I will show you guys. Okay, Lancome sunscreen. I got this because it has good reviews on the website. My mom bought it when they had a 40% off at Macy's, but such a small bottle, hopefully it will last me a long time. I haven't tried it yet, so I cannot do a review. So yeah, let's see. The last two products are the Shiseido Reno face masks. They look like in this. They come with two pieces of face masks. You have to apply the step 1 is top, step 2 is bottom to cover your full face. This is definitely more for anti-aging. I have used the Shiseido's face mask before, that's why I bought them. I did not buy them actually, they are gifts for me, so I really like them because to me, prevent wrinkles. For me, this age is the most number one thing because if you already have wrinkles, I don't believe you can get rid of them. That's just how I feel. Like prevention. I mean, some of the stuff, if you have them, you can get rid of them. For wrinkles, I think it will be causing more like a Botox or like a eye surgery for the skin surgery. But so that's why I'm trying to prevent those things. For dark circles, for example, dark spots, I plan to do some IPL on my arms because I have a lot of dark spots. Same thing with my face. If I have freckles, I just go to the laser center to get the IPL for my face to get rid of those dark spots, the freckles. So yeah, Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye. Bye.